What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another video. As you can see, I'm out here in Sherman Oaks in front of the Foot Locker, about to try and get my hands on these multicolors that just dropped today. Let me know if you guys are going after them. Smash the like button if you enjoyed this video. Share, of course, with your subscribers, your family, your Twitter, you dig, all that. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Waiting for these guys to open. I'm maybe like 5 or 10 minutes till that time opens. Then we're gonna get home and get a review of these shoes, man. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. Let's go. Some people have been asking to see what's on feet. Could I tell you guys I wear sandals? I'm wearing some Adidas slide with this little translucent multicolored thing going on. Super fire in my opinion. These are pretty cool. Not the most comfortable, but they are sturdy, firm, and great for people with foot problems, I feel. I could be wrong though. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. If you don't have this, I suggest you use this. A little easier way to find the shoes, locate them, and spot them, you dig? Both colorways is dope. Out of the two that's right here, which one do you guys like more? Multicolor or the black colorway? Let me know in the comment section. Reebok Classics. Tell me what you guys think about these, man. I have not seen these before. I'm not exactly sure the release date on these, but they're not too bad. You know, Reebok has definitely been trying to make a push as of late with the shoes. Got some, oh, that's 3M on the back where the Reebok sign is. All leather shoe. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section below. Is this a copper pass? Gum bottom? What's the retail price? 85 bucks, man. Below $100. That's not a bad shoe. It looks pretty comfortable. Then you got some other ones with 87 tagged on them. Concept Sample 02, what's that about? These are pretty dope though. Let me know what you think about these in the comment section. Out of the two, is there a particular one you guys would go with more? I don't know, man. Off the first look, I like these because they have a little bit more going on, but actually I don't know, bruh. It might be like a low-key tie because they both look pretty dope. But you know what? I think now that I think about it, I might go with the second ones. These ones right here, because these are more like a running style shoe. They feel like they're more comfortable and a little bit more lighter. So I will go with these. Let me know if you guys agree. Which one would you guys go with? Let me know in the comment section because I always want to know. I appreciate the feedback, you dig? Reeboks, more Reeboks, classics. These Asics have been out. They just came out too. They've been making a really big push with these. This yellow colorway, like the KYRIEs and the Paul Georges. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. Pretty fire, bruh. Pretty fire. They got these Asics. They got these Asics. Two different models. Gel Diablo. What do you guys think about these, man? The feedback's important. Are these cops or pass? Got like some Chinese writing here. This must be like some type of special edition. If they are, let me know in the comment section below. Fill your boy in, chat it up in the comment section. We got a little community there that we're building up, man. If you guys got tips for each other, when you guys ask about sizing a shoe, if somebody asks a question you guys know, feel free to respectfully, you know, reply. Give them a lookout. And you never know, it might, you know, come back around to you. Got these ones here, like the off-white kind of creamish deserts. What do you guys think about these in the comment section, huh? Materials on here are pretty plush, man. And one thing about the Pumas, they do give you guys, they give us great materials on the shoes. The shoes are made with good quality. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. What do you think about these TNs, y'all? These are some different things going on right here. Are these cops, pass, fire, ugly? Let me know in the comment section, bro. Got the 3M, got the Nike on the side, the Nike branding on the side. TN on the back, not too bad, man. Not too bad. These are going for $170. They got them in that colorway. They also have them like in this black with the yellow. What do you guys think about the big branding on the shoes? Is that a cop or pass? Is that a positive or a negative? Does it depend on the shoe maybe? Let me know what y'all think about that bold Nike on the side of the shoe. Trying to do this bold stuff like off-white and everything like that. So let me know if you guys are liking this, copping, passing. Let me know in the comment section below. Now, these just dropped today. Very, very dope. I like the color combination. The way they put this shoe together is fire. I like how you can see the little turquoise air bubble. The lacing over here is making the shoe really pop. These TNs are pretty fire, bruh. They actually had a whole series of this colorway that dropped today. Let me know what you guys think about that. If you guys went after any one of them, these are $160 retail. Very dope though. Let me know what you think about these in the comment section below. Too crazy. What do you guys think about these, man? I've had these in here before. We might have to get these at home and get a closer review. But I mean, this is a fire shoe, bruh. The PG Fortnite is what I heard it was called and what I'm gonna go by. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. The more I see these, the more they're growing on me. Let me know if you guys like these 4.0s, the multicolor, the black and multicolor, whatever you guys want to call them. These ones right here are still fire too. These parlays, super fire. But we came here to see these, and we're not gonna get too much on these because I got to give you that detailed review at the crib. But let me know what y'all think about these in the comment section. Super fire, bruh. Sherman Oaks, Fashion Square Mall, the Foot Locker got some, so get yourself here ASAP if you want a pair. The Nautica collection, I've never seen these before. I believe, yeah, these are the Nautica Air Max TNs, or these are copper pass. These are not bad, bro. Look like, you know, it's the Nautica colors, but look like USA, American USA team or something like that. Like them a lot though. These are pretty fire, bruh. The white part on there does not deter me from the shoe. Still fire. Let me know what you guys think about these. Would you guys cop or pass these? Let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about these 95s right here, bruh? Not too bad. I want to know, man. Copper fire, copper pass. Are these fire or trash? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. Either timestamp the video and tell me what you think about them, or just name them out. These are the Air Max 95s right here. Not sure the colorway, but these are not bad, bro. I like these. These ones came out, I think, very recently, maybe like yesterday or something like that, and then these dropped, I believe, last weekend. Not too bad. More of an earthy colorway. Pretty cool shoe, you know what I'm saying? Well, the shoe is dope itself, but the colorway is pretty cool. Let me know if you guys agree. And out of the two 95s that you see in front of you, well, all these 95s, which one do you guys like? These are pretty dope too. We've seen these before on the channel in the store. These are pretty dope right here. I like the materials that they selected for this shoe. This 95 is pretty dope. 95s are going for $170 also. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below, right? Last one I'll show you. These ones are not bad either. Not bad either. Give me like a Laker vibe, kind of like Vikings vibe or something. Let me know what y'all think about these. And out of these 4 colorways, which one would you guys say is the best one, or 5 colorways? This one here, and this one, or these 2. I like this one. This one's standing out a lot to me. But out of the ones, I really don't know which one I would pick. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I definitely like this color of the Vapor Max. This navy blue and maroon, or navy blue and red with the little gold Nike check. Very, very dope. What do you guys think about these in the comment section? These go for $190. Bottoms look clean. Very dope shoe. Back to school, this is very nice. Let me know if you guys like these in the comment section. Would you guys cop or pass on these? I mean, not too many Vapor Maxes you guys can pass on. This colorway and the materials are very dope. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. So it turned out to be a great day at Foot Locker, man. About to get home and get the review here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the content I brought you guys today. If you did, make sure you smash the like button, share the video. Of course, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and don't forget to hit the post notifications so you can be updated on every single video your boy Bossco drops. Thank you for your time. I'll see you guys in the next video dropping today, tomorrow, every single day. Have a great day wherever you are in the universe. Peace. How many of you guys out there are fans of G-Shocks like your boy Bossco? I gotta cop me one of these. In the ones you guys see here, which one do you guys like the best? Got that blue one. That blue one right there is nice. Navy blue one, that red one, that black one. Let me know in the comment section if you guys like any one of these here. And before I wrap up the day, you know I gotta go and get me some food. So where else do I go when I come to the mall? For those of you who know, right there, man. This is the place to get your salads from. Believe me, bomb ingredients. Hey, how you doing today? Look at all this, man. Huh? Yeah, I'm gonna get a large salad. Look at all the ingredients, fresh, ready to go. I'm like the first or second person here. I'm telling you, if you have this in your local mall, you need to come and check it out. Spinach and kale. How you doing so far today? Started just now, right? It's overnight. Yeah. Yes, indeed. Getting some stuff done over here. And then little Parmesan cheese. So that's gonna wrap up my trip here today at the mall. Hopefully you enjoyed what you guys saw in there. A lot of heat, the multicolors. I was surprised that nobody else was there. I was the first one. Very dope shoe. Let me know what you guys think about anything you guys seen here. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the post notification bell to be updated on every single video I drop, you dig? It's your boy Bossco. I hope you have a great day wherever you are in the universe. I'll see you in the next video, right? Peace.